Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Fluency Builder. Thank you for being here today. Take a deep breath, relax, and listen carefully. Today, we continue our journey. So welcome to Storytelling Episode 10. Today's story is called The Second Chance Email. Let's begin. There was a young man named Michael. Michael had been preparing for months. A big opportunity was waiting for him. A job that could change his life. He worked hard. He practiced his skills, improved his English, and prepared for every possible question. Finally, he received an email. Your interview is scheduled for Monday. Michael felt excited, but also nervous, very nervous. On the day of the interview, everything started well. But slowly, things went wrong. He forgot some answers. He got confused. He made small mistakes, and his confidence dropped. After the interview, he walked out silently. He knew he could have done better. That night, he couldn't sleep. His mind kept repeating the same thoughts. I failed. I lost my chance. I am not good enough. The next morning, he opened his email. There was a new message from the company. His heart started racing. He opened it slowly. The email said, "Thank you for attending the interview. We believe you have potential. However, your performance was not your best. If you are willing, we would like to give you one more chance." Michael stared at the screen. He couldn't believe it. A second chance. He read the email again and again. This time, he didn't feel fear. He felt something else. Determination. He told himself, this time, I will not waste it. For the next few days, Michael prepared again, but differently. He didn't just memorize answers. He understood concepts. He practiced speaking slowly, clearly, confidently. He recorded his voice. He corrected his mistakes. He improved step by step. The second interview day arrived. Michael walked in, calm, focused, ready. This time, he didn't rush. He listened carefully. He spoke clearly. Even when he didn't know something, he stayed honest and confident. The interview ended. Michael felt different. Not perfect, but better, much better. A few days later, he received another email. His hands were slightly shaking. He opened it. Congratulations, Michael. You are selected. He smiled, a deep, happy smile. Because he knew something. It was not just luck. It was growth, and that is the lesson of today's story. Sometimes, life gives you a second chance, but not everyone uses it. Don't be afraid of failure, because failure can prepare you for success. If you learn from it, if you improve, if you try again, because one more chance can change everything. Thank you for listening to Storytelling Episode 10 on English Fluency Builder. If you find this storytelling useful, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell button and continue learning English with us. I will see you in the next episode.